Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. If you're not, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my lash routine. This is how I go from this to this. So this is what I do to make my lashes look really nice and long and full, and this is just the way that I do it. So I like to use this mascara, which is the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. Basically just any mascara that says the words lengthening and elongating your lashes. So basically the difference between this and other mascaras is that the wand has so many bristles on it, and it's just like focuses on really getting a lot of product on your lashes. So basically what I do is I apply mascara to the front end of my lash, and I try to get as much product as I can onto my lash line and onto my lashes. Then what I like to do is I like to take the wand and kind of like brush it through the back end of my lashes, and also kind of twirl the lash wand while I'm doing that so I can get as much product as I can on the lashes, and also comb them out at the same time. So that is like key to having really nice, not spidery looking lashes, but like nice long full lashes. So then I go in and I make sure that there's no clumps, and this is what it looks like with just the lengthening mascara on the front and the back. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side. This is really going to make your lashes look nice and long, and make sure that there's no clumps either. And also, this is what it looks like with just applying the mascara from the front. So I highly recommend applying the mascara to the back as well, and also like twirling your brush while you're applying the mascara. This is really gonna like let a lot of product onto your lashes, and also combing it through and just making sure that your brush is making contact to every single piece of your lash so that there are no clumps. Also want to mention that my lashes are very well trained with mascara, so they naturally curl when I am putting on mascara, because I've been putting on mascara for so many years. So this is what my lashes tend to do when I do apply mascara. So this is what they look like with just the lengthening mascara on the front and the back of the lashes, and it's made such a huge difference as well. And I also like to go in with a voluminous mascara, so I'm going to be going in with this Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. And the difference between this mascara and the lengthening mascara is the wand. So this has more of an hourglass shaped wand, and it's basically focused on making your lashes look nice and full. So when I go in with this after I do the lengthening mascara, I like to focus this on the root area, and that is just going to make my lashes look nice and full from the root, and then just flare out into a really nice fluffy eyelash look. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!